Hello everyone, welcome back. The next topic for today is relation between addition and subtraction. So today we'll study that how the different numbers can be added and subtracted as well, and what is the relation between addition and subtraction. So here, as you can see, I have written the numbers. First number I have written 35 plus 5. So 35 plus 5 equals to 40, and if we use the same statement, if we change the statement, we'll subtract it. How we'll subtract it? Here the sum is 40, we'll use the sum 40 here, and from this 40 we'll subtract minus 5. We'll subtract 5 here, so what we'll get? 40 minus 5 will get 35. So here if you can see, this answer is this number. So here 35 and 40 are added and we get the sum 40, and the same statements are used here for subtraction. It is in the opposite way. Here 40 is written and from 40 I have subtracted 5, and what I get number 35. So next is, here it is 45 plus 10. So 45 plus 10 equals to 55. So what we'll write here? The same numbers we'll use for the subtraction. The sum is 55. We'll write 55 here, and from 55 we'll subtract what number? We'll subtract 10. Likewise here we subtracted 5. Here we'll subtract 10. So what we'll get? We'll get 55 minus 10 equals to 45. The number is the same number here which I have written, 45. So this is the relation between addition and subtraction, that you can use the same numbers or the same figures in the opposite ways to do addition and subtraction. Next is fill in the missing digits. Here 2-digit numbers are given at tens place and ones place. At ones place we have 2 blank 5, and at tens place we have 5 1 and blank, and this is the sum of subtraction. So what we'll write here, so that we'll get 5 answer. So here if you can see, here it is 2, that means it is a smaller number. Here we need to write one number which is bigger than 2. So here if I write 7 and I'll borrow 1 from here, here it becomes 12. So 12 minus 7 equals to 5. What is left here? After taking away 1 from here, we are left here with 4. So 4 minus 1 equals to 3. Again I repeat, here we need to fill the missing number. Here it is 2 and here it is 5. So 12 minus 7 equals to 5, and here we get 4 minus 1 equals to 3. So your answer is 35. Thank you.